5 exotic animals found in the Philippines, a journey into a biodiversity hotspot. The Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands in the Western Pacific, is a treasure trove of biodiversity, often hailed as one of the world's most biologically diverse countries. Its lush tropical forests, vibrant coral reefs, and unique ecosystems have given rise to an incredible array of endemic species, plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. In fact, the Philippines is one of the 17 megadiverse countries, hosting a staggering number of unique species per unit area, with over 70% of its reptiles, 44% of its birds, and a significant portion of its mammals being endemic. However, this biodiversity is under threat due to deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and climate change, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. In this article, we'll explore 5 exotic animals found only in the Philippines, delving into their unique traits, habitats, and the challenges they face. Let's embark on a journey to discover these remarkable creatures that make the Philippines a biologist's paradise. 1. Philippine eagle, the majestic monkey-eating eagle. The Philippine eagle, Pithecophagua jeffreyi, often called the monkey-eating eagle, is one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring animals in the Philippines. This majestic bird is considered the largest eagle in the world in terms of length and wing surface, with a wingspan reaching up to 7 feet, 2 meters, and a length of about 3 feet, 90 centimeters. Its striking appearance includes a crest of long, narrow feathers, a massively arched beak, and piercing blue-gray eyes, the only eagle species known to have blue eyes, which allow it to see 8 times farther than humans. The eagle's brown and white plumage, with a creamy white underbelly, adds to its regal presence as it soars over the lowland forests of Mindanao, Samar, Leyte, and Luzon. What makes the Philippine eagle truly exotic is its diet and hunting prowess. As its nickname suggests, it preys on monkeys, particularly macaques, but it also feeds on flying lemurs, civets, and large birds like hornbills. This apex predator requires vast territories, up to 27,000 acres per breeding pair, for hunting and nesting, often choosing tall, old-growth trees in primary forests. Sadly, the Philippine eagle is critically endangered, with fewer than 400 adult pairs remaining in the wild. Deforestation has decimated its habitat, as only 35% of the country's forests remain intact. Additionally, the eagle faces threats from trapping and shooting by locals, often due to misconceptions about its impact on livestock. Conservation efforts, such as those by the Philippine Eagle Foundation in Davao, have helped increase its numbers through breeding programs, but the species remains on the brink of extinction. 2. Tamarao, the fierce dwarf buffalo of Mindoro. The tamarao, Bubalus mindorensis, also known as the Mindoro dwarf buffalo, is a small but formidable bovine found exclusively on Mindoro Island. Standing no taller than a kindergartner, about 4 feet, 1.2 meters, at the shoulder, the tamarao is a compact powerhouse with shiny black hair, light facial markings, and short, backward-facing V-shaped horns. Despite its small stature, this animal is known for its fiery temper, readily charging at intruders with surprising ferocity. A century ago, the tamarao population numbered around 10,000, but today, only a few hundred remain, making it critically endangered. The tamarao inhabits a variety of landscapes on Mindoro, from dense forests to open grasslands, where it grazes on grasses and forages for shoots. Its decline is largely due to habitat loss from illegal logging, agricultural expansion, and marble extraction, as well as poaching for its meat and horns. By the 1960s, fewer than 100 tamaraws were left, prompting the creation of Mount Iglit-Baco National Park, a 5,000-hectare sanctuary where the species can roam and reproduce. Thanks to conservation efforts, the population has risen to around 480 individuals, but the tamarao remains a symbol of the Philippines' struggle to balance development with wildlife preservation. Its solitary nature and fierce demeanor make it a unique emblem of Mindoro's wild spirit. 3. Philippine mouse deer, the tiny palandoc of Palawan. The Philippine mouse deer, Tragulus nigricans, locally known as the palandoc, is a small, nocturnal ruminant endemic to the islands of Balabac, Bugsuk, and Ramos, southwest of Palawan. Despite its name, the palandoc is not a true deer but belongs to the chevrotain family, a group of small, deer-like mammals. Measuring just 40 to 50 centimeters in length and standing 18 centimeters tall at the shoulder, this tiny creature is one of the smallest ungulates in the world. It lacks antlers but has large, tusk-like canine teeth on its upper jaw, which males use for self-defense and territorial disputes. Its reddish-brown coat with white underparts provides excellent camouflage in the dense vegetation of Palawan's forests. The pelandoc is a shy, elusive creature, preferring to tiptoe through thick underbrush at night while feeding on leaves, flowers, and other greenery. Its small size and secretive nature make it difficult to spot, but these traits also make it vulnerable to habitat loss and hunting. The pelandoc's meat is considered a delicacy, and its skin is used to make leather, contributing to its decline. Additionally, the illegal wildlife trade has targeted this species, further reducing its population. With only 32% of the Philippines' native forests remaining, the pelandoc's habitat is shrinking rapidly. Conservation efforts are underway, but the pelandoc's future remains uncertain, highlighting the need for stronger protection of Palawan's ecosystems. 4. Mindoro bleeding heart dove, a romantic yet endangered beauty. The Mindoro bleeding heart dove, Gallicolumba platanae, a critically endangered bird endemic to Mindoro Island, is a stunning example of nature's artistry. This medium-sized dove, about 10 to 12 inches, 26 to 30 centimeters, tall, is named for the vivid red patch on its white breast, resembling a bleeding heart. The mark is surrounded by light pink and black feathers, creating a striking contrast against its soft gray plumage and iridescent green head. During the breeding season, February to May, males puff out their chests to display this heart-shaped mark, using it to attract females in a charming courtship chase through the forest. Unlike many birds, the Mindoro bleeding heart dove is a ground dweller, foraging for seeds, berries, and insects on the forest floor. Its strong red legs and short wings are adapted for running rather than flying, allowing it to dart through the underbrush to escape predators. However, this behavior makes it an easy target for hunters and accidental trapping in snares meant for other animals. With a population estimated at just 70 to 400 individuals, the dove is one of the rarest birds in the world. Deforestation has reduced its habitat to a mere 120 square kilometers of forest on Mindoro, with only 25% suitable for the species. No official sightings have been recorded since 2005, and the dove is now an edge species, recognized for its evolutionary distinctiveness and urgent need for conservation. 5. Philippine sailfin lizard, the vibrant dragon of the rivers. The Philippine sailfin lizard, Hydrosaurus pustulatus, is a semi-aquatic reptile found only in several islands of the Philippines, including Luzon, Mindanao, and Palawan. This lizard is a true spectacle, known for its bright coloration and unique dorsal crests, or sail fins, which resemble a sail along its back. Males are particularly striking, with vibrant hues of green, blue, and yellow, especially during the breeding season when they display to attract females. The sail fin, which can grow up to 3 feet, 1 meter, in length, is not just for show. It helps with thermoregulation and makes the lizard appear larger to deter predators. The Philippine sailfin lizard is often found near rivers, streams, and coastal areas, where it basks on rocks or branches overhanging the water. An excellent swimmer, it can dive into the water to escape threats, using its flattened tail to propel itself. Its diet consists mainly of leaves, fruits, and insects, making it an important part of the ecosystem as both a consumer and prey for larger predators. Unfortunately, the sailfin lizard is a target for the exotic pet trade due to its striking appearance, leading to overcollection. It's also threatened by habitat destruction from deforestation and pollution. The species is protected in the Philippines, but enforcement is weak, and its population continues to decline, underscoring the need for stronger conservation measures. A call to protect the Philippines' exotic treasures. The Philippines' exotic animals, from the soaring Philippine eagle to the elusive Mindoro bleeding heart dove, are a testament to the archipelago's unparalleled biodiversity. Each species plays a vital role in its ecosystem, whether as a predator, seed disperser, or pollinator, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. However, these creatures face immense challenges, with habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade pushing many to the brink of extinction. The Philippines has laws like Republic Act No. 9147 to protect its wildlife, but enforcement remains a challenge, and grassroots conservation efforts often bear the brunt of the work. As we marvel at these exotic animals, we must also recognize our responsibility to protect them. Supporting conservation initiatives, respecting wildlife habitats, and raising awareness about the plight of these species are steps we can all take. The Philippines' biodiversity is a global treasure, but it's a fragile one. Once these species are gone, they're gone forever. Let's celebrate the beauty of the Philippine eagle, tamaral, Philippine mouse deer, Mindoro bleeding heart dove, and Philippine sailfin lizard by ensuring they thrive for generations to come. Thanks for joining Mind Expansion Daily. We truly appreciate you.